French horn is a difficult instrument, so let's just be real about it. I'm Rich Aileen Joe, aka French Horn Tutor, and I am excited to say that I have rebuilt my embouchure. It took me 8 months to do it, but I did it using parascales and by having goals. So having performance goals helped me to manage my practice time so that I was ready to perform. If you practice and you have determination to work through your issues, you can totally rebuild your embouchure. I spent the first part of this channel creating perfect videos without mistakes. But you know what? French horn is a difficult instrument, so let's just be real about it. So I'm gonna put out these videos, and why not?